So how are you, my friends? It's time to for a new video, and my name is Abhishek, and you are heartily welcome to my channel, that is Improve and Learn by Improvisation. So today the same part I will continue that about the sentence, but this video I will make in English, because as I told you that one video, one part, one chapter I will make in Hindi and one part I will make in English. So same chapter I'm going to repeat but in English, so those who are watching from those who don't understand Hindi or those who don't understand other languages, they can watch in English. So let's continue the video, and for that first you have to watch the topic, right? So friends, you can watch here that I have written sentences. So now what is sentence? Sentence is word is very simple. That sentence word has come from the word sense. From sense word, it has come the meaning of sentences. Sentences which means you can see the first few letters that derives the meaning of sense. Sense means what? Whatever we are speaking to somebody, what we are saying to somebody, what we are saying, that it has some sense. When we are talking with somebody, when we are in conversation, then when we talk with somebody, when we are doing conversation, then when we say something, that someone will tell us that what are you saying? It doesn't have any sense. That means that is not a sentence. Sentence means which has completely, purely, it should have a sense, that is called sentence, right? So I can explain it. So sentence, it is always a group of words, right? It is always a group of words. Now why I have written, students, the group, and why I have not written, I could have written that, like for example, it is a word, because every definition starts with such a letters, such a words, that it is a word. But instead of word, I have written group of words. Now why I have written group of words? Why? Because sentence always contains a group of words. Now in my last video, I have cleared about letters, that group of letters are called words. I have told you, and group of words are called sentences. I told you that group of letters. See, if I see all the words I have written here, it consists of letters or not? S-E-N-T, then sense, S-E-N-S-E, G-R-O-U-P-O-F-O-W-O, article D-S, then letters, see, all contains a letter, single letters. These are the single letters. These are single letters. It contains the words, and the group of words is called sentence. So for example, if I say that, you can see here that Ram is an intelligent boy. If I write this, Ram is an intelligent boy, you can see here the words. These are the words which makes, it is a group. It is what? It is a group and make one complete sentence. Now sentence means what? As I have written here, sense. Sentence means what? Sense. It has sense or not? Ram is a good intelligent boy. We understand that it has some meaning. Ram is an intelligent boy. It has some meaning. If I have written that Ram an intelligent is boy, doesn't make any sense, right? So Ram is an intelligent boy makes a complete sense, right? Ram is an intelligent boy which makes a complete sense, and it is a group of words which make sense, complete sense, is called sentence, right? Now let's see the definition. You can see here I'm writing, it is a group of words which makes sense. Simple. It's called a sentence, right? It's called a sentence. So this is a group of words which make sense. It's called sentence. I've written the some simple things. As I explained you before, that which makes sense is called sentence, right? Now, so did you understand the group of words which make sense in this world? All types of sentences what we are talking about when we are talking about conversation, when we are doing something, when we are talking to someone else, when we are listening to someone, we always add the word sense. What we are saying, it's complete sense. So did you like the video? If you like the video, then please comment and please subscribe, and don't forget one like button. And one thing I must tell you, press in a bell icon, that is all. Then you will get my all the notification of my future videos. Now next class I will when I will complete this thing, I will start one more thing about the sentence which contains, let me finish this. This is the sentence. Next class I will talk to you about the types of sentence. So in Hindi I made 3 part. In here also I'll make 3 part, right, in English. And the most important thing is that after completing the sentence, I will start one more thing to explain more about the sentence, that how it contains subject and verb, what is subject, what is verb. I will complete, and then I will come to the end part of the sentence. A sentence in that video it will complete, right? So let me complete this chapter. One more part I will start of sentence. In that I will explain you how subject and verb works of it, right? So next, I will see you in the next video. Till that, stay tuned. Jai Hind.